Hi guys, welcome to Sirius channel. Today, we are going to the Victorian Caravan and Camping Supershow 2025 in Melbourne Showground. No matter you are a die-hard fan of RV and caravan zone, looking for new gadgets in the accessories area, planning your next trip in the tourism zone, or just simply enjoy the live demos and entertainment, there is something for everyone. I am here to give you a glimpse of this large event with over 230 exhibitors. Full kitchen, comfy beds, and even a bathroom. I can travel all around Australia in it. If you opt for flexibility, there are plenty of modified camper vans on display. Luxury home on wheels or off-grid ready adventure rig? Why not both? If towing is your thing, there are plenty of camper trailers on display. Experience the ultimate freedom of outdoor adventure with a rooftop tent and awning. You can explore your next trip with exhibitors from different states and tourism zone. Explore innovative camping gadgets in the accessories zone. Discover exclusive bargain accessories to enhance your adventure. If you're interested in modifying your own vehicle, you can go on a treasure hunt at this venue. Like this video? Subscribe for more travel and camping content. And let us know in the comments, what's your dream road trip? Thank you for watching.